Now, I don't know if you can hear me, but that's a waterfall right over there. It's I don't know how far it goes down. I'm gonna pause real quick. I'm gonna see if I can get a better look. Alright, here we go. We're getting close. I'm holding on to my phone for dear life. Holy sweet babe. Talk about taking a drink. Trying to see a rainbow. I don't know if you can hear me. But we're gonna go over here. I'm holding this phone for dear life. Oh my. Wow, that's loud. God, I can't hear anything. What's going on? I don't know, buddy. Holy smoke. This doesn't make you want to pay. We think you have to pay nothing with. Oh.